This beautiful tree has many names. It is called as a golden tree, golden shower tree, Cassia stick tree, golden pipe tree, golden rain tree, also called as the Indian laburnum, also called as a pudding pipe tree. In Marathi it is called as a Bahawa tree, also called as a Karnika tree. In Hindi it is called as a Amaltas. So scientific name is a Cassia fistula. Fistula means a pipe. This tree which flowers in the month of the April-May. It shades its leaves in the month of the March-April. After every 8 to 9 months, it starts shedding its leaves and then it gives the flowers. So the flowers are there which looks like the grape bunches. It shows the inflorescence. This inflorescence which is of the racemose type of the inflorescence. So the younger flower is there which is at the top and the older flower which is at the base. So we can watch that in this, the bunch of the flowers which is called as the inflorescence, in which at the base here the older flowers are there, and as if you watch at its apex we see the younger flowers. So that is a racemose type of the inflorescence. We can see the fruits which are looks like the drumstick fruits. This tree which is having the number of the branches, this is about the inflorescence what I am showing. The young flower buds are there which are at the apex and the older flower which is at the base. We can see the green color stick like thing, that is a fruit. So this is the fertile flower, the gynoecium mature, which develop to form the fruit. So this hangs like the jhumbar. Very beautiful yellow color, bright color flowers. This tree is full of yellow flowers in the month of the April-May. Here we can see the white flowers are there. So once the flower get mature, its color get faint. So now here from the lower side we can watch this. The tree is full of yellow flowers. In between we can see the green leaves also. These leaves are there which are the pinnately compound leaves. So fully yellow color, so that's why it is called as a golden shower tree, also called golden tree. Very beautiful, so full of the flowers which is in the month of the April-May. This tree is having the wood which is a hardwood type, and this wood which is used as a fuel and also which gives a good quality of the charcoal. Wood which is of the hard and heavy timber suited to make the furniture, farm implements as well as wheels. Just now I said here the flowers which are of the showing the inflorescence, racemose type of the inflorescence. Height of the tree, that is 30 to 40 feet, which spread the number of the branches once it get mature. So it shows the flowers, it gives a flower after the age of 8 to 9 years. Once we grow that, once it complete the 8 to 9 years, it gives a flower. This tree is a multi-purpose tree. It is an ornamental tree which grow in the tropical and the subtropical regions. This tree, golden shower tree, is a Thailand national symbol, and in India its a flower is state flower of Kerala. This tree having the number of the uses, just now I said it is a multi-purpose plant, it is a multi-purpose tree. Its roots, its flowers, its leaves, its tree trunk, everything is get used. The flowers are used for making the vegetables by some people. The fruit what we observe, which are the drumstick like fruit, which are having the length of approximately 2 to 3 feet. So the branches which get spread in all the direction, which gives the flowers, and that's why this full tree which looks like that showering the gold, so that's why called as a golden flower tree or the golden shower tree. The tree trunk, just now I said, it is a hard wood. This wood is used for making the furniture, for making the boat, for making the windows, doors, etc. Wood which is of the hardwood type. This is in the night time. We can see how it looks, how the hanging jumbos like the structure of all the flowers. Now this is about the inflorescence, which is just now I said it is of a racemose type of the inflorescence, younger flower which is at the apex, so which shows the infinite growth, while so here infinite growth is there, all the young flower buds which are at the apex, and as if you will observe that the base or older flowers are there. This arrangement is called as a racemose type of the inflorescence. There are two types of the inflorescence, one is a cymose and another is a racemose. So this is a racemose type of the inflorescence. So it get hang like the jumper. This is about the flower. We can see the petals which are the sepals. These sepals and the petals which are of the same color. So sepals are there which are yellow color and petals are also yellow color. That's why the sepals called as the petaloid sepals, and it shows the presence of the 10 stamens and one single gynoecium which is a green color. We can watch here. So the flower whorl, that is a calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Here about the leaf which is of the pinnately compound type of leaf. It shows the presence of the ovate 3 to 8 pair of the leaflets. From the lower side the faint color, and from the upper side it gives a dark color. So this is about the fruit which like the drumstick fruit, having the length of approximately 2 to 3 feet. Inside each fruit we find number of the seeds. So when the fruit is in the immature condition it is a green color, and once it gets mature it gives a dark blackish brown color. This fruit inside shows a number of the compartments. In each compartment single seed. So like that 70 to 80 seeds are present in one fruit. Once we break open inside we find number of the seeds. So it looks like the pudding pipe. That's why it's also called as the name pudding pipe tree. Inside that each compartment shows a single seed with the sticky pulp is present. So this single seed is there. We can watch carefully. So this each compartment with the seed and with the brownish black sticky pulp is there. This pulp is used for the anti-diarrhea. Also it is an antibacterial activity. This pulp is consumed by the number of animals to solve the digestion problems. So this is about the what I have shoot from the lower side during the night time. So all flowers are there which looks like the hanging jumbos. Very beautiful view is there from the lower side. We can watch here. So this type of the beauty we watch in the month of the April-May, when the flowers shed its maximum leaves. Now these flowers are there, all looks like the hanging jumbos, so which increase the beauty of that tree, full of yellow color, yellow bright color. All flowers which are hanging from the all branches which looks like the showering the gold.